Students, as you know, today we have an activity to how to make the cell structure, okay? Who can tell me what's the difference between the animal human cells and the plant cell? Is it different or is the same? The animal cell with the plant cell. Thank you. Who can tell me why the plant cell have a cell wall and the chloroplast? Why the human cell and the animal cell they don't have it? Why? Can you explain it?
For example, we have plants.
Yeah.
So the plants need to like cell wall to
Yeah.
be strong
Excellent.
and to be long.
Good job.
But human cell and animal, it don't have cell wall, only cell membrane.
Yes, because we have a muscle to movement,
to
right?
move.
Yes, excellent. Thank you. Who can tell me what's the function of the chloroplast? What's the function of the chloroplast? Why the plant cell have a chloroplast? What's the function of the chloroplast? Having?
Because they use cells to make food.
Excellent.
They store food.
Excellent. As I told you before, students, the chloroplast is the organelle inside the plant cell. Inside the chloroplast, there is a pigment, a green pigment. It's called chlorophyll, right? And the chlorophyll can use sunlight, can absorb sunlight to make its own food, right? Okay. Who's the leader of your group? Can you come here and tell us about your project?
Hi guys, today with my friends we made it a science project which is the cell, human cell. We made it out of Play-Dohs, different colors of Play-Dohs. As we have in here, this is the cell membrane. Cell membrane, we have cell skeleton, and here's the mytoplasm and nucleus. This is all we did with all my lovely friends, my group, and she's Mawa, Soma, Inas, and I am Sidra. That's all. Thank you.
And this is cytoplasm. It's a jelly-like substance that is between space of all organelle and cells. And the function of it is that it doesn't let any of the cells get out of its own place.
Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a science project. This we didn't finish it till now, like we continued made it. Like this one is different with animal and human cells because it have cell wall and chloroplast. Why? Because the cell walls to the plant to like be strong and be tall, but the chloroplast for store food to use sunlight to make food. And they are different with human and animal cells. Thank you.
Hello guys, today me and my friends made a scientific project. My name is Mawa and this is Ronya and this is Bana and this is Jenna. We made this animal cell. This is the cell of the animal and humans. This is nucleus. This is mitochondria. This is cytoplasm. This is lysosomes. And yeah, we made all this.
So cell is the smallest unit in every living thing. Every living thing have cell. What's this? This is a cell membrane. Cell membrane, like it covers the cells, so any bacteria could not go inside of it. This is nucleus. Nucleus is the center of the cell membrane. Like it's just like a security in the cell membrane.